Ready?
Yep.
Ah! Hit the wrong button.
There we go.
Good?
Yep.
They coming up here?
No.
They're not coming up here, okay.
No, so no.
Okay. Okay, I was watch our stuff. Oh, there's lots of people down there. Look at that. We're gonna stick with the flight plan. Go up high. Okay. How's my head pointed? Okay. Oh, I see a road.
200 milliamp drone.
Thank you.
What?
This thing just flies on its own. It's up. "36 miles an hour. I don't know why I get nervous doing this.
Oh, yeah, I have no clue where it is.
Okay, that's why I said get binoculars. But
I'm trying to use the binoculars. I can't.
okay, then maybe just I'm straight up going to the highest point of that hill. You see it?
Nope.
Oh, you see it with the regular eyes?
Nope. Black against green.
Yeah, that's what Kofer was saying the other day too. Okay, let's just watch the data then. So what is the 1700s, our climb until 1700 thing, whatever? What? 1250. We're at 495. What?
Go for it.
Okay.
Look at this.
Bring it over and aim it at me. You know?
Hi. Good. How are you?
We're good. We're fine.
Yeah, that's fine. What? He has his drone.
I'm not being rude. I'm just concentrating right now.
No, I figured that's what you had going on.
Which way's home? Okay, watch the data, Logan. Yeah, thank you. There's a lake. See that? They're gonna shoot below us. It's fine. There's the antenna. We're pointing toward the antenna of that hill on the far side there. Okay, what's our? We're at 691. I'm flying very conservative first little flight here, you know. High.
Is it breaking up for you also?
No, I got a great video, so it's probably because of you, because you don't have as good antennas as me.
Traffic.
761 man. Can you see the amps? Okay. What are you seeing? Anything?
Yeah. Just static.
Okay, that's fine, but just give me readouts on
800.
So we're flying down the ridge to your right, my right. Well, that's the altitude. It's the 841 above it is the amp reading. See that 854? That's our milliamps. That's our gas gauge. I'm just kind of flying around this hill in front of us here, you know. You still see it? I mean, you still, you got video still? Okay. Freaking noisy. Okay, I'm going back towards our left, towards the south. Ignore them. 1,000. Fucking Grand Central here, dudes. What's that? Yeah, go ahead and, you know, put it on the ground, looking back up at us, okay? In front of us, looking back at us if you want. So it's like filming us flying. I got 1,100. Whoa, there's a tree. Watch out for that tree. Where you at?
Right.
Okay, get back on the goggles. We're at the ridge to the right, kinda.
That was your fly up till.
Okay. Now we cruise until halfway point is what, 17? I think I see where we're parking at. See that way in the distance? See that kind of cross? Yeah, I think that's about where we're at, maybe. Shit, I don't know where we're at. We're 1 mile away. Whoa, I'm losing video.
It was like 7.
Okay. Watch the amps. I'm going to follow the arrow home here and get closer to home. The arrow says go straight, doesn't it? You still got goggles? Okay. $1,400. I'm following the arrow, the home arrow. See that in the very top? Where's that big ass tree? It's 2,300 feet away. I think we're about 150 feet above us. Where are we? 100 feet above us. Are we like over here? Is that our white car? I see our white car. See it? Look in the video.
Home point's not accurate.
Home port's not accurate, is it? No. We're heading towards the car. We're heading to the car right now, aren't we? I hear us. You can tell I came back conservatively. What?
You're gonna go out of view. If you find that way.
Okay, that's good. We in view still?
Yep. There's a lake there.
Yeah, I'm gonna cruise around this lake here and check it out. Are we still in line of sight?
Should be.
Should be. I see our car, I think. Just want to show this lake here. Check it out.
Oh yeah, I see it. You just dropped really far.
Yeah, I did. Whoa, that was close to that tree. Whoa, that was close to that tree, wasn't it? Where's the big tree? It's over here, isn't it? Coming up on my screen. I think I'm headed to the big tree right now. I see it. There's the big tree. See that? What's our amps? 22? What's our...
Halfway is 2250.
Okay.
Return home by. Oh wait, no, that is the return home.
Start heading home at 2250.
Yeah.
Land by... Okay. We're at 16 volts. Remember, we want to be landed at 15. So we got to monitor the volts. I see our car. See, there's the hill behind us. See that? Just learn to fly here a little bit.
Oh, jeez.
What?
You're far right.
We're off to our right, yeah. Where's the guy shooting? Down here somewhere? Now I'm off to my left. Right? Losing my breakup of my video. I better turn my head. 2600, 16.2 volts. I'm just staying close by, you know, because I'm shaking like a... Where's the big tree? There he is, right there. There's the people below us. Those are shooters?
Well, not down there.
Somebody... Oh, there's some quads down there. Oh. Let's turn around and chase some quads. Watch my voltage for me, 16.1. Right?
Yeah. Slow it down, there's like a guy right behind you.
I know, I gotta... You're right, but there he is. I'm gonna lose signal here in a second. I didn't want to go down in these trees. 15.7. Look at the volts.
Yeah.
We want to land by 15. Back up to 16.1. There's that big ass tree. That thing sticks out like a sore thumb, dude. 2800 volts. What's our land by voltage? Okay. We got 500. I got the battery recovered.
See it. Yo.
15.9.
Fly through those two trees.
Well,
There's no point.
I'm too nervous to do this right now. What are they doing?
I'll do it.
Yeah. I don't know about, I can't see small minutia branches, you know? So that's like, I could fly through these trees here, but I'm not sure. Oh, there's the guys below us that are shooting right there. Oh, I see where they're at now. 15.8. We want to be landed at 15, right? What I'll do is I'll just putz around here for a little bit, and then we get 15.5. I think we're going to go into landing mode here. For an angle. Whoa.
Not used to that.
No.
You gonna land?
Yeah.
So you have 200
Hey, almost
milliamps.
watch me. Now watch the quad. Like you're 5 feet up, okay. I'm gonna try to land it near my right shoulder. Tell me when I get over the gravel so I can, you know. I'm like 10 feet up, 15 feet up. Use a body length.
There's a pile of stuff, go up. Okay, yeah.
What's that on the road there?
7 feet up, 8 feet, 3 feet. You're good to land.
Whoa! Hit the GoPro. Where's the GoPro at? Okay, we survived. Oh, that was a big rock. I saw that thing on the screen. Oh, that was nerve-wracking. I don't know why, but we made the road. Yay! Okay, we'll go explore driving more. Okay, yeah, let's fly your little guy. Wow, that was a cool flight. How long was that? 15 minutes total arm time. Plus we had a couple false starts. We had plenty of battery to spare. We used 3,370-ish on a 4,000 pack. That's good. 15-minute flight. Whoa! I'm quite pleased. Quite pleased. All right. Let's fly your little whoop, tiny whoop, and let's disarm this thing.